Okay, today we're cloning a single reference PC. This reference PC here, it is a Dell Optiplex 760 with a fresh install of Windows Vista, which it is licensed for. Has not been activated yet. And we're cloning it to all of these. We want to do it at the same time, and we don't want a lot of repetitiveness and head seeking on the reference PC. We're using Linux to do this, and this is really a simple task with the use of dd, ssh, and the T command. I don't know how well this is going to come out. If I need to, I'll type it into the description of the video, but that is the command we're running right there. And we just tee off, and this will copy to all of them. So when I start it, it's now writing to all of these PCs at the same time. I don't know if you can see the hard drive light. It's the one on the right closest to the USB. It's flickering. I'm using the sector size of the disk, so it copies one disk sector at a time. These are older PCs with 160 gig disks, and each one has a 512 byte sector size, so we're copying 512 at a time over SSH. And I'll put in the description how long it takes. I'm expecting about an hour. Alright, hope this helps somebody.